Hey everybody, this is Brenna BZ Malin here from Colton RV and Marine. I want to show you one of our leftover 2022 models. We have just a few of these left. The nice thing about these is they come with full factory warranties, and we'll even store it for you over the winter till the spring for free. So this is our Confluence. This is the 24BH. This is an exclusive brand that KZ makes for Colton RV and Marine and one other dealer in the country. So you're going to have an exclusive product. The first thing you're going to notice about this camper is the awesome lifted frame. Especially when you can see it next to another travel trailer, you can see how low they sit to the ground compared to this high frame with these massive off-roading tires. This thing is made to go boondocking some of the rough terrains that you might go on. You don't have to worry about having any frame damage. Coming over this way, you'll also notice the solid steps on this camper and a large grab handle, making it very easy for anyone with mobility issues to get in and out. This also has the pet package. You can hook your leash up right here. Hey, you can even open up a bottle cap. Up here, notice it comes with the Arctic package. That's because it has the heated and enclosed underbelly so that you can go in colder weather and really enjoy yourself when you're out there. This huge, massive awning goes all the way across the door to the back of the camper. You have all of this area here to set up your patio furniture. You have outdoor speakers towards the top. You can play your tunes while you're out here using this beautiful outdoor kitchen. It's got a griddle here, as well as a nice little fridge for your beverages. Let's go towards the front of the camper. I want to show you a couple other things. Not only does this camper come equipped for solar, you can put a portable solar panel here or mount some on the roof. Check out this large pass-through storage. Isn't this amazing? You got a power tongue jack up front, two 20-pound propane tanks, battery disconnect if you want to turn off all your power at once. Over here we have a locked docking station. You can hook your water up here. You also have a spray port so you can have a hot and cold shower outside, give your pets a bath, or just rinse off some muddy shoes. Right this way, you'll notice this does have a 30-amp power supply. It even comes with a black tank flush, so you can really get that clean before you store it. Here's where the sewer is, so you can dump your sewer tanks. We have a free dump station here at Colton RV. Anyone is free to use anytime. All right, let's come around the back. Notice it is prepped for a backup camera. Before we go inside, I want to show you something that is super unique for the KZ Confluence. I don't know of any other travel trailer company that does this. They have huck bolted frames. That is the same way that our high-end motorhomes do their framing. So I'm going to show you what a huck bolt is. All right, so if you want to look right here, notice that this is not a traditional nut. This is called a huck bolt. They don't have thread already on the inside of this, and it has a special tool that torques this screw right into the huck bolt, so it creates the threading, which is a much stronger hold. They're not going to jiggle off as you're going down the road. All right, we're on the inside of the KZ Confluence 24BH right now. A couple of specifications. This camper is just about 29 feet, including the hitch. The 24 is just the interior floor length. We're at about 5,400 dry weight, so it's towable by most vehicles. Now, the first thing you're going to notice on the inside of here is how beautiful the interior decor is. Notice that all the cabinets, you can see the natural wood grain in all the cabinets, including the light ones here in the kitchen. We have beautiful countertops that are durable, easily wipeable, nice large stainless steel sink. Over at this entertainment center, we have the radio that controls indoor and outdoor speakers. We have nice cabinets underneath, as well as a little shoe nook down at the bottom so you're not tripping over your shoes. Nice pantry over here. And then I want to show you the creme de la creme, the U-shaped dinette. This U-shaped dinette is huge. I have it laid out as bed so you can see that you could easily fit somebody that is well over 6 feet tall to sleep here. Now let's put it back together as a U-shaped dinette so you can see it as a table. Super easy to do. As you can see, the table comes off the ledges, and then we're gonna put these legs right in here. And then put these right on top. There you go. And you can easily fit 6 people maybe more with little kids. Another thing is easy accessibility to this storage. These are military grade plastic, so they're very durable. You can put anything in these. You can pull it out. It's a lot easier to store your items. Now, if you want to come over here, we have a stove. Notice the really nice LED lighting. And if you accidentally leave one on, poof, it's going to be red. So you won't get dizzy. We have a microwave up here, as well as a propane electric fridge. Now, something unique about the bunk beds. They can handle 500 pounds each. You probably know that most travel trailers can only handle between 200 and 300. These are well-built frames. They're gonna hold anybody. And it's 2 doubles, fit all kinds of adults. We also have a huge bathroom back here. Nice, easy, accessible shower with a curtain. Porcelain toilet. And plenty of space for storage and hygiene items. There's one other little pantry right here. You could put towels, blankets, or store extra food in here. Now wait till you see this bedroom. Every Confluence except for the Murphy bed version comes with one of these. Yes, it's a king bed in a travel trailer. There are USB ports and outlets with little shelves on both sides for your devices. You have a shelf up top for storage. And then you also have a wardrobe on both sides. So we've got pillows stuffed in there for you. And storage under the bed. Thank you so much for touring the 2022 KZ Confluence 24BH with me and Colton RV and Marine. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Once again, my name is Brenna BZ Malin. My extension here is 473. And to call the store, you just dial 716-694-0188. Can't wait to meet you.